Welcome. If you want to add the event to calendar in your Honor 7C, at the first you have to open calendar, next we have to set up, we have to choose the day when we want to set up our event. So I'm going for the 1st of December. Click here to create a new event. On the left corner at the first we can add the title. Next we can add the location, for example, and of course set up start and the end of the event. When you click more, we can set the repeat or change the time zone, or even add the reminder. So we can customize here a lot of things. If you finish with everything, you have to tap on the right upper corner, and as you can see here we got our event. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!